First off, we're going to start with this Schindler HT in the Fine Arts. Alrighty, so what do you think about this elevator?
I think it's okay.
This is the Schindler HT in the Fine Arts building.
I like that you called it Fine Arts building.
The Fine Farts building? Oh, that was a shake.
Ooh.
Lovely. Okay, let's hear the machine room for this one.
Okay.
I think they heard us talking about our elevator video tour. Alrighty, you ready? Let's go to the rest of the elevators. We can also point out these exit signs and some wheel lock, speaker, strobe, fire alarm signaling devices as well in the building with the notifier BG10s. It'd be better if they had household smoke alarms in this part of the school. Yeah, that's a fire alarm speaker. Remember when these went off that one day? And you captured that video footage for me? Oh yeah, these must be set to a high volume then. So it's a fire alarm and elevator tour. Let's see, there's a million sprinkler heads. The wheel lock ceiling mount speaker. A wheel lock ceiling mount RSS over here. One that's coming out of the ceiling, that's lovely. Exit sign. Weird how they have these exit signs on the doors like this. All right, here's our next elevator. I don't know what type smoke detector that is. It looks to be an ionization. All right, here's an Otis elevator that was a former Otis Series 1 elevator that was slap-on modded in 2013 or 2012, one of the two. Here's your certificate. The elevator's here, and there's another pull station. Fire service key switch. I heard that scoreboard buzzer go off.
I did too. That's funny that you heard that.
This is just a basic elevator. Let's get a mini cab view. Camera in use. I don't see a camera in this elevator.
What about yours and mine?
The only cameras that are in the elevator is our cameras. That's the only cameras being used. I've always thought those light fixtures were cool. And here's one of the signaling, our assist remote strobes. I wonder how old these exit signs are. They seem pretty old to me. All right, off tower next elevator, which is what used to be in the library. when it was original, but then it got renovated in 2012. We're also going to include the library elevator in this tour, so you want to walk to the library building too?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. Here's a notifier smoke detector and a wheel lock ceiling mount speaker strobe. Here's our next elevator, another Otis Series 1 modded by an unknown company. Here's your certificate. Pause if you want to read. Here's a pull station, firelight, BG10. I think these indicators are custom. Otis label. Let's get a little caveat of this elevator. Pretty plain. There's no, the only cameras that are in use is yours and mine. But yep, here's a closer look at the Otis label.
So it should say cameras in use.
Yeah, because what iPhone camera's in use either way. Another smoke detector. A winding staircase. That elevator could have been made glass. All right, let's head to the library building before we get the other two. There's more smoke detectors. And a BG12 over here. And a light switch. Imagine that. So how would you say this tour is going so far?
I'm enjoying it very much.
So am I. Yep, I'm enjoying it for sure. Oh, look, yep. It's a great idea to just do like a video tour of the whole campus. With the fire alarms and the, here's another notifier BG10. Let's demonstrate the automatic door. Yep, it works. All right, here's the outside the campus. We've got the library building, which is where we're gonna go next. Yep, the ThyssenKrupp Sigma 4 in the library. We're not gonna include the basement in this tour as we don't really have consent yet, but we're getting to know the staff here, so you never know what's gonna happen. Is that correct?
I think that's the plan.
Alrighty, we're not gonna go through that entrance because I don't wanna, because of copyright reasons for the books. So we're gonna go around to the front and get the elevator from in there. And then if like the students are like, oh, what are you doing? Just say we're elevator enthusiasts. We just go around and get videos of all the elevators.
Right. Hello. All right, you lead the way.
Let's go this way. Yep, you're more than welcome to get me in the video. That's what I want, by the way, for me to be in it.
I try to put it down when I see other people.
Yeah, that I do the same.
Okay.
Mechanical room.
You'll have to show me how you edit someday.
Well, when I learn how to edit, I'll do that with Very Faded Spectrum Advance. And then after this, we're gonna go back into the campus and do the other two elevators, the ones that got modded by ThyssenKrupp in 2021. Buildings G and K. Alrighty, so there's Big Brother up there. Yep. Yep, don't mind us, we're elevator enthusiasts.
You say it so simply, it's like, no, for me, it's
Elevator enthusiasts.
yeah.
I wonder what that siren is. I bet that's for the burglar alarm system. We're also doing fire alarm and burglar alarm system tours too, as we go by. So it's a full elevator tour of the Collin College campus. Alrighty, let's go in the library and see how this ThyssenKrupp Sigma 4 is doing. And here's the elevator. And there's one of their fire alarms, Spectroid Advanced Wall Mount. And then here's the smoke detector outside the elevator. This elevator is the one I love the most.
This is my favorite on campus too.
Yeah, the same. Let's get a little cat view. Very nice and shiny. I love it. All right, off to the last two elevators. And there's that one closing. You're welcome. You know what? Some of my smoke alarm videos are way longer than this. So,
What's your longest video?
I have no idea. Bright and sunny.
Have you done a full tour of any of the malls and their elevators? Or is this your first?
You know what? I don't do that because of security guards. You never know when they're going to be out. I do it at office buildings, though. I did it at one. The one at the Summit I was telling you about the other week.
How many elevators do they have?
They have 3 elevators. 2 US elevators that got modded by VMI, and then 1 Dover Traditional that got modded by Fujitech. All right, let's go, which entrance? Let's go through this other entrance right down there, because that gets us right to the Building K elevator. Be careful not to get any people's license plates on the video. And do not get people's faces, other than mine. You're welcome to get me on video. That's what the whole thing's about. With me, I want to tour the fire alarms. There's an exterior one over there, but that's already been shown. Remember you filmed that one going off?
Yeah.
That was pretty cool. Thank you for doing that.
Oh, my pleasure.
Hey, it's fun to make videos. So yep, there's the library building. here is the K building. I don't know. Let me tell you. All right, hold on. That truck is too loud. I just thought I'd do that real quick. So, very sunny. Let me tell you, that was pretty truckin' stupid. Get it, truck?
I get it. I get it.
Alright, off to the last two elevators. There's another smoke detector and a fire alarm speaker, and then there's the remote strobe. Imagine if you just flipped that light switch off and pranked everybody. Don't do that. Do whoopee cushions instead.
Right.
I love whoopee cushions. Fire extinguisher cabinet, another fire alarm, strobe, and a smoke detector. So remember that day you were telling me? Hold on, I'll answer this call later.
Okay.
We've only got a few more minutes left and 2 more elevators left.
All right. I'm sorry, what were you gonna ask me?
Like, remember about the time that there was the fire alarm going off?
Uh-huh.
And the kiln set off the smoke detector?
I think it did. I'm not quite sure. Nobody told me for sure, but it was a little smoky smelling in that hallway when they let us.
Oh yeah.
I just made the assumption.
Hold on, my watch is gonna go off continuously.
Is it a phone or is it a reminder?
I'll tell you later.
Okay.
Let's finish the tour.
Okay.
Building K elevator comes first in the video tour of the elevators. I hear a bunch of phones going off. Alrighty. All right, there's another BG10 and a fire service cabinet. This is another Otis Series 1 that got modded by ThyssenKrupp.
Hey Eric, what are those little holes on the outside of the door? Are those keyholes or?
Yeah, those are the drop box in case people get stuck.
Oh,
All right, let's listen to the motor going up. All right, ready to go to the last elevator?
I am. Show me.
All right, another wheel lock. Oh, look, there's a speaker strobe on the wall. So, this campus was built in 1986, I think, and then had some additions built onto it. Oh, your thing turned off? That's okay. You don't have to include the last elevator. I'll just include it myself. No, you're good.
Start it again?
Yeah, you can start a part 2 if you'd like. I do that all the time when I do home searches, screen recordings on my iPad for smoke alarms.
Understanding.
Yeah, it happens way too much. All right, let's do this last elevator and then I think we're gonna end the tour. Here's another. About 21 minutes, but I've had like 30 minutes actually on a video. Another pull station and another smoke detector and remote strobe. Mad BS fixtures. How about this? These mods are actually not too bad, I must say. Alrighty, how do you think this tour went?
I think it went great.
Alrighty, we got every elevator.
Well done, sir.
Alrighty, well, that was the tour of all the elevators at the Collin College Spring Creek campus. Have a great day, everybody.